Today we're taking a look at this webcam from HP, model W500. At the time of this recording, this webcam is selling on Amazon for $57 with a 20% coupon, bringing the total price to $46.40 at this time. I'm using the webcam to record this video now, so I think with this image, that's a pretty good price point. However, there are some things that you need to know, and we'll get into all of the capabilities and limitations of this webcam later on in this video. First off, I want to point out that this webcam was sent to me by a company called Mufu for free for review purposes, but that will in no way influence my opinion of this device. I am not at all affiliated with Mufu or HP, and the opinions expressed in this video are mine and mine alone. Alright, so inside the box we get the webcam itself, and it definitely has that HP look. Without getting out my tape measure, the USB cable appears to be about 4 feet long, and it is permanently attached to the webcam. Up top here we got the switch for the microphone modes. This device has an MEMS microphone, which is a micro electromechanical device. This doesn't work like a traditional microphone. It's essentially a diaphragm on a chip that processes the sound. It's a technology that is used in modern smartphones and should allow for a better sound than just the standard small webcam microphone. The underside of the webcam has a 1/4-20 female threaded hole that will allow for easy tripod mounting. Or with this hinge, the webcam can be mounted on top of a monitor or laptop screen. The package also includes a privacy cover and warranty and instructional paperwork. Setting the webcam up in programs like Zoom and Skype is very simple. It's instantly recognized as a choice in the camera and microphone drop-downs in both programs. It was also instantly recognized in OBS as well. So as I mentioned before, this is what the webcam looks like, which I think for a webcam looks pretty good. However, to get a decent picture from this webcam, it's going to require two things: good lighting and manually configuring the webcam settings. So here I have light coming in from a window over here to the left, and I've configured the webcam settings to match the lighting in this room. With good lighting in the room and everything set to automatic, this is what the video is going to look like. And with bad lighting on in the room in this camera in automatic mode, this is what you can expect the video to look like. I've got just a single desk lamp on over here, and it's not providing very much light at all. So the camera is basically giving some automatic lighting compensation that's done on a computational level, and this is pretty common with most webcams. So definitely configure your settings manually. This webcam captures at 1080p, 30 frames per second, so this is what you can expect motion to look like. So now I'm going to do a few microphone tests with the built-in microphone of this webcam. And as you can see, I don't have any carpet on my flooring. I'm in the middle of tearing up carpet in here, so I'm down to just bare OSB flooring, and I've got a few rugs back here. So really this is what a normal office environment with hardwood flooring would probably sound like. So as far as the echo effect goes, this should be a pretty accurate test. Right now I'm in normal mode and I'm about arm's length away from the microphone. So mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3 4. This is the microphone in normal mode. Now I'm going to switch over to conference mode. And now we are in conference mode. I'm about arm's length away. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3 4. There should be a little bit of noise reduction applied to this, so this is what it's going to sound like in conference mode. And now I'm in private mode, and there should be a lot more heavy noise reduction applied. Again, this is private mode. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3 4, and I am about arm's length away. So now I'm going to go back and do some further away tests. So I'm going to go back about, I'm probably about 7 or 8 feet away from the webcam now. So mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3 4. This again, I am in private mode, so this should be with heavy noise reduction. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3 4. I'm about 8 feet away in private mode. Now I'm about 8 feet away in conference mode, so this should be light noise reduction. Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3 4. Again, 8 feet away in conference mode with light noise reduction. Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3 4. And here I've circled back around into normal mode. Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3 4. I'm about 8 feet away. This is normal mode on this microphone. Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3 4. 8 feet away in normal mode. So my final opinion on this webcam is like this. I think it's a good buy for the money at the current 20% coupon. The microphone definitely sounds better than most built-in webcam microphones, but it's still not going to match an external microphone in performance. The picture quality looks pretty good for a webcam, as long as you have a lot of light and configure everything in manual mode. So overall, I think the intended consumer for this camera is a business person who wants okay sound and an okay picture, but they don't want to mess around with a lot of settings. It's a no fuss, gets the job done camera. But that's all I have to say about this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.